Are you dreaming about starting your own food truck? Do you love pizza and are looking for a low-cost option to get started? A food truck might be the perfect solution for you. In 2023, the demand for food trucks is expected to continue to increase. If you like this video, check the link in the description for our playbook. Starting a pizza food truck can give you more freedom and flexibility than a traditional restaurant. You can move locations based on demand and community events, and avoid high rent costs. Pizza is one of the most popular food items in the world, so there will always be a demand. With a food truck, you can offer unique and creative pizza toppings that might not be available at traditional pizzerias. You can also cater to special dietary needs such as gluten-free or vegan pizzas. The startup costs of a food truck business are relatively low compared to opening a traditional pizzeria. You won't need as much space, and you can use a used truck rather than purchase a commercial space. Food trucks are also a great way to test your concept before investing in a brick-and-mortar restaurant. Marketing a food truck can be easier than a restaurant, as social media can be used to promote your location and menu for free. You can also participate in local events and festivals to get more visibility. You will have the ability to create a unique experience for your customers by offering dine-in options in a fun and casual setting. Another benefit is that you can build relationships with your customers through face-to-face interaction, which can result in loyal customers. Pizza is a great food item to sell at night because it's often associated with parties and gatherings. Many late-night events only offer fast food options, so having a pizza truck available would be a great alternative. Offering delivery services through a food truck is also a unique concept that can set you apart from competitors. Another advantage of a pizza food truck is that you can adjust your menu based on the weather. For example, you could offer lighter pizza options during the summer months. You can also offer seasonal pizza toppings that reflect the holidays or local produce. Starting a pizza food truck can be a profitable and enjoyable business venture in 2023, but get it right from the start by using our food truck playbook in the description. Or watch the video on the screen now.